Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are here new, my name is Judy and today I'll be unboxing this Star Wars Deluxe book gift set. It's very big. It comes with 3 books, a little BB-8, a little BB-8 projector, 30 stickers, and 6 picture discs, each one with 4 little pictures. This is a very big set. When did I get it? Let me think. I don't remember when I got this.
I think 2 years ago.
Oh, I remember. It was Christmas 2019. It's been just sitting in my closet all that time. What's that? Oh, that's interesting protection. Just fascinating. And this is the back of the box. Alrighty. I want to get this out so badly. Get out! Oh! Yeah!
Why is it stuck?
I don't know.
Turn it towards me. Uh-huh.
So with a bit of help from my mom, I was able to get it out of the box.
Oh, this is a very weird protection. They are filling the gaps, that's all.
So, as you can see, it has a bit of dust because, like I said, it's been sitting in my closet for a long time. But anyways, so I apologize to any mega Star Wars fans at this moment because I'm not that big of a Star Wars fan, so I probably know like nothing that comes in the set. So sorry. All I know is the things that I have read from the packaging of this box.
You used to love Star Wars when you got it.
Yeah. I just don't really watch it and stuff. So, this is the little BB-8 projector. The set was created in 2016.
Oh my god.
I think we're like 5 years too late. Anyways, here is the included sticker sheet. I only can get these 2 BB-8 stickers and then the Stormtrooper stickers. That's like the only things that I'm like, yeah, I know exactly what that is.
Did you break it?
I broke the plastic. I broke one of the corners. And another one. That's really reassuring. That really makes me think that I'm gonna get these out of here.
Do you need help?
I'm supposed to get them out.
No. Don't do that. Give it to me. Don't do that. No.
Then you do it.
Oh my god, really? How are you supposed to take this out?
Do it my way.
Oh my gosh. I do it your way.
We do it the only way that we can do it.
Which is the dangerous way.
This is why I asked my mother to do this because it's dangerous and also it's off camera. So okay, thank you.
Be careful, they are sharp.
Much scissors later, much cutting later. We have all doing up.
Just pop them out, yeah. Like you're popping out candy. Wait, you cannot relate. That's from my childhood.
Okay, now that we have all 6 of our little cute discs, which are not in rainbow order. That's okay.
You can
It's
rainbow
not.
order them. Oh, they are
Yeah.
numbered.
They are numbered, not in rainbow order. Red is 2, orange is 4, yellow is 6, I can't. The numbers on these no longer exist to me. I put them in the number I want in the order of the rainbow. Yeah. Okay, so we have 3 books, or 3 acts, as they mark them. So this is Act 1, The Resistance Rising. Act 2, which is Kylo Ren's Pursuit. And Act 3, which is Duel at Star Killer Base. Yeah. The books are hardcover, and they are also picture books. Cute little picture books. Great for young ones who have not yet mastered reading, or people who just don't like reading giant books like me.
So great for you when you got them.
When I got them. At the moment, not so much. And in the bottom left corner, they all say Disney because, of course, Disney bought Star Wars. And our little BB-8 projector, which
Doesn't have.
comes with batteries.
Ooh.
Yeah, thank you.
That is so cool.
So it's saying, alright, so right now we're starting on disc 1. So this is the first image on disc 1. Here we can see the second and third image from disc 1. And the fourth image from disc 1.
Okay.
And it continues that with the entire book.
Until it tells you here disc 2.
It shows you disc 2, image 1, image 2, image 3, image 4, and so on and so on and so on. I used to have a set similar to this. It was Sophia the First themed. Don't judge me, I was like 5 at that time.
You still have it.
No one needs to know that, Mom. Can you tell that that's supposed to be BB-8?
Yeah, go a little bit further. Let me see. Yeah. It's so foggy.
Stormtroopers. I cannot tell.
It's so foggy.
So as you can see, it's a very foggy image, but if you pull BB-8's head out of his head, then you can get the image to clear up. And now you can see a very clear BB-8.
Beautiful.
Foggy image. Clear image. I feel so bad for BB-8. You gotta twist his head. This looks so... This ain't natural. This just isn't natural. He should not have a neck.
But I think that's how, because it's a lens, you need to kind of have a way of adjusting it to make it clear.
But still,
I
he
know.
should not have a neck.
Yeah, they just make it twist without...
Yeah, can't they just have it twist without making him have a neck? Oh, I don't know what this is.
Okay. You have to read the book.
I do, I really do. A stormtrooper in front of the battlefield. I'm assuming it's a battlefield, because that's what it looks like. And 3 stormtroopers, but 2 that you can clearly see.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know.
And I don't want you to know.
I don't know this character's name.
You forgot.
I forgot.
Oh my god.
I forgot.
Jojo, you need to read the books.
Or watch the
Or watch
movies
the
that are in
movie.
very low quality, at least the old ones.
No, but that's not from the old ones. That's from the movie you saw in theater.
That's sad.
Ah,
Is that Voldemort? All I see is BB-8.
Okay.
The only thing I can notice from here.
Do you remember her?
Ray.
Yay!
I think.
Finally.
Another photo of Ray.
Okay.
And back to the Voldemort looking dude. Ray and that character that I do not know.
That is sad.
Ray. Who are you? Can't they just throw in Chewbacca? I at least remember him.
I was about to say, speaking of the devil, but it wasn't the devil. But
Oh
anyway.
my god, Mom. Speaking of the devil that we never spoke of, BB-8. Finally! Chewbacca! A character I
You mean
remember.
Adam Savage?
Kylo Ren and Rey. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, all in all, this is a really good set. The packaging is a little difficult. It's difficult to get everything out of the packaging. But other than that, it's a nice set. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you're always alerted when I post new videos. And comment down below on anything else I should do on my channel. Bye!